Guys, what I've got for you today is tray baked shortbread fingers baked in Scotland. There I've got them behind the window. That's what I've got. There. I'm going to taste test them. There we go. There. You see the taste good, or the taste bad. Let me just pick some up. One second. There we are. One last bite and I'll give you my review. Just to see what they taste like. I'll tell you what it tastes like. I give them a 6 out of 10. They're okay. They're nice, they are really nice. It's really good stuff for 6 out of 10. It's really lacking of sugar in them. But it's not lacking of that jelly taste. Not bad. I'm gonna give them about a 6 out of 10. But not bad. I'm gonna still eat them. So I hope you enjoyed my review. And don't forget to subscribe, bell it, for every time I upload to get a notification on your phone or your iPad or any device. There you are. These are baked in Scotland. So don't forget to subscribe and just comment below if you ever had them. If you ever had them, just put it in the comments below. Tell me the reason why they are that store. Tell me the reason why they are that grating or mumbies. It can be 1 to 10. Mine's 6 because it's lacking of sugar. It's certainly way different than some shortbreads. I've got another review coming up in a second. Some cacao crisps that I didn't like. And I really need to get them out, don't we? To subscribe. See you soon.